What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Audacity on your PC or your laptop. So the first thing that we need to do is to open Microsoft Store. So to do that, you will go to the search bar and you will search for Microsoft Store. As you can see, it's right here, so we're going to open it. Here again, you have to go to the search bar and now we're going to search for Audacity. Like so. Then we're going to click on it, and to start the install process, all you have to do is to click on install. As you can see, Audacity has been downloaded, and all you have to do now to open it is to search it on the search bar. So we're going to do that. Now we can open it if we click on it. Now we have to click on accept and continue. And now use the Audacity app for our needs. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.